I am the Evo Nano, and I was born colorful. I have 4 color combinations. You can put me in your pocket. I'm easy to fold. As your smart miniature selfie drone, I can go wherever you go. I have a large f1.9 aperture and a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor that lets me gather more light. With my 4K camera and HDR capabilities, you can clearly record the beauty of life. Use me to take selfies with one click. Panoramic, medium shot, or close shot. Switch it up however you like. At your command, I follow objects automatically, and my battery gives you the freedom to command the skies for nearly 30 minutes. Want to change angles? Just one click. South, east, north, west. Just tell me where you want me to go. At only 249 grams, I can be with you for every part of your journey. What else can I do? Automatic obstacle avoidance. To dodge objects in front, behind, or below. Quick autofocus to help you snap objects fast or slow. First time as a pilot? No need to worry. Just click one button and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Flick, fade away, orbit, rocket. Done shooting? Upload photos and videos wirelessly at 160 megabits per second. Then create beautiful videos with ready-made templates, so you can edit and share in seconds. With Autel Skylink video transmission, you can take pictures anytime, anywhere. I am the Evo Nano, your smart mini selfie drone.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.